Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can optimize your Palico for combat instead of Monster Hunter Wilds. Now, as you guys know, in previous Monster Hunter, the Palico have the choice of act more of as a support role or at a combat role, okay? But in Monster Hunter Wilds, they have unfortunately removed this option, okay? So the only thing that you can actually do is to craft gear. I'm talking about, weapons and, armor as well, which is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial in order for the Palico to be more effective, right? So what I need you to do is I need you to talk to the smithy, which in my case is Gemma, at any base camp. Okay, just find her and just look for the option I like to manage my equipment, which is the first one. And now you basically want to go to Forge Palico equipment, and you want to focus on this first column here on the weapons basically. Okay. And what I want you to do is I want you to look for the weapon that you have available that has the highest element damage or the highest affinity damage as well, okay? Both of them are actually going to be cool, okay? So as you can see, for example, we have this one here, which is the Rompapolo Blaster. And we also have the Feline Nursilla, which has a lot of element and affinity damage, okay? And this is what I want you to craft. And the reason why is because this is going to be, this is going to be very useful in order to kill monsters because once your Palico attacks the monsters, if your weapon has a lot of affinity or element damage, it's going to create some cool effects in the monster, like maybe paralyze him or poison him or things like that, okay? Which is going to be more of a combat support role. It's going to allow you to actually inflict more damage as the monster is paralyzed, okay? So these are the weapons that I want you to focus on, okay? The ones with a lot of elemental and affinity damage, all right? Now, talking about the armor, this doesn't really matter as your Palico is probably gonna never die, okay? So I don't think you should worry too much about these two columns here. Just focus on the attack, okay? Don't waste too many materials on the others, all right? That's pretty much it. Thank you so much.